Hello, happy homeowners. Megan here with Heartwood Art. Today, we're going to unbox, put together, and test out this Zozen nut gatherer. I have huge walnut trees and they drop all over my driveway and stain it, so I need help cleaning them up. Let's see how this does. We have the basket, a telescoping handle, and a storage bag. So let me show you which one this is. They have an acorn version, a medium version, and a large capacity that has 1.5 gallons for the different size nuts. And I got the big one because of these walnuts. So let's put it together. This is where the handle goes in. And it says align poles groove with this position. So let's have a look at that. And it's got little holes on it. See those? So let's give that a go. You only have to unscrew them a little bit and then you can pull them out. Let's see, I think this will be easier. Little nuts on the back that stay put. Let's turn this side down so I can get to the lengthening things on this side. And oh, that is tight. It has a little groove so that it locks in. The holes didn't line up though. They didn't go far enough in. So I pulled it back out. See? Yep. That one does pull out, so lock these two in and pull this one out so you can stick it in further. Now let's put it in. Oh. Lock that. Yep. Now it goes in all the way. You may want to hold on to the nut in the back because it did fall off when I put the bolt back in there, but it's real easy to tighten down by hand. Okay, there it is. That is solidly in there. Let's go give it a try. As you can see, I have a lot of walnuts from all these 4-story tall walnut trees everywhere. Oh, let's see how this picks up. Let's telescope this handle out. Now that's good for me. Okay, let's roll it over a few. Went right in. No pressure, no nothing. And then you can just dump it right out. Look at that. Let me go get my little bucket. Up. Look how many I picked up in just a few minutes. I love this. Let's go do some more. I mean, 30 seconds. Look at that. Okay, now that's on concrete. Let's see how it does on grass. I have a whole bunch of them that rolled off the driveway. Let me see how it does on the grass. Well, the problem with me standing that side is when they get full, because I'm on a hill, they're rolling out the other direction. Now, down in the grass, I am having to push a little harder, but it still gets a whole bucket full. Now, after I dumped all the walnuts, it still did retain some leaves, but those should be easy to get out. Okay, this thing came with a carrying case. Let's see how easy it is to store. See if we can do it with it all together. So it has a place for you to grab back here, which is great. So my bet is it's not going to fit in here whole. No, it doesn't. So you will have to take this apart, and you can be able to store, I believe it will fit, yeah, store this in there sideways and then lay this in there, but you do have to take the handle off to do that. So overall, I'd say I'm in love with this thing. It works. It feels sturdy. The tines aren't bending or anything when I pick up the walnuts. Even the little flat ones come up. Real easy to dump them too. Well, I sure hope you found this review helpful of the Zozen nut gatherer. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips. And come on over and see me at heartwoodart.com for more helpful tips too. And I'll see you around the house.